Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Still on Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho's arrest saga. It is no longer a news that he was arrested in Cotonou on his way to Germany and expected to be extradited back to Nigeria, but proved abortive. This is the story of how the helicopter that wanted to bring the activist back to Nigeria was stopped. Mr. Yomi Aliyu, son, the lawyer to the Yoruba Nation Agitator, Chief Sunday Adeyemo, aka Sunday Igboho, has narrated how he was to be flown to Nigeria on a waiting helicopter after being arrested in Cotonou, Benin Republic. The son shared this during a radio program called Frank Talk on Rave FM. He said, and I quote, "As of today, Sunday Igboho is still in police detention in Benin Republic, specifically in Cotonou. While they were fighting with the brother, he was bundled back into the plane heading to Germany. He was the one in Germany now, not Igboho. He was already in the plane in Cotonou on his way to Germany with his wife, and his brother was there too. Somebody fingered him out that he is a wanted person. He was brought down with the wife and brother, and a fracas ensued because he was to be flown to Nigeria by a standby helicopter. But the wife and the brother put up a fight and started shouting at the airport, which attracted some other Yoruba indigenes, and they came to their rescue. Thanks for watching.